Sweet! What's up, guys? It's your boy Connor. We're back. It's your boy Connor 883 XL, baby. We're rocking the Sportster. We got the FXLR on some warranty work. So we're out ripping. Decided to do a little exhaust video as you saw earlier, and now we're just kind of doing a little run through Lime Creek. I've never done it on the Sportster, so it should be fun. We're gonna kind of just take our little paces nice and slow, enjoy the ride. Wish it was sunny, but I'll take what we can get. So we're rocking. We're trying to stack a couple miles on the Sportster. We've had it for I want to say about 8 months now. We bought it in March, and so we're already in November. Yes, so 8 months, and we've only put on about 1,500 miles since that. And so I'm trying to ride a little bit more often, and that way we can get to its first service. It's going to be the 10K service. We still have about 2,000 miles to go. So in time, we're just going to enjoy it. It's definitely different on this thing just because I feel more exposed. Like, I don't have a fairing. I just feel like it's a lot smaller profile, so I feel like I'm closer to the ground. So we'll see. This one's already about to die again. Can't catch a break, bro. Can't catch a break. Let's turn that one off then for now. And we're just gonna wing it. So, also, big news. We have Slade's Ugly Christmas Sweater Ride in San Antonio this Sunday, December 2nd. We're meeting at the Starbucks at the Quarry. That's 281 and Bassey Road, I want to say. All bikes are welcome. Everyone come out and enjoy, have some fun. The weather's predicted to be fairly nice. It's going to be 70 degrees as a high. Says clear skies, but we'll see. It said clear skies today, and we have a little bit of overcast. So it should be fun. Should be a wicked time. Come out, have fun, spread some Christmas cheer. We got the boys out in New York doing it right. They're doing it charity ride. They're doing $10 per person. We have Theodore up in Oklahoma hosting Slade's Ugly Christmas Sweater Ride in Oklahoma. We have Dwayne and Heather Downing, the power couple in the Harley scene, just overall power couple, I guess. And they're over in California. We have Will FXBB out in Northern California, up in the Bay Area, Sacramento. He is going to be running his up top. Look at this, dude. This is so dope. This is why I like running this road. It's a little sketchy sometimes. Let's go ahead and drop another gear just to oh, that was a big jump. We're trying to turn. Okay, it's only gonna go so much. I remember the first time I ran this road, it was intimidating just because you have, I would say it's a fairly technical road just because you have a lot of these single lanes and things. It's a single lane road on both sides. So these blind corners is what kind of gets sketchy because sometimes you'll be rolling around, there'll be a car that passes by, and it can be kind of sketchy. And if you've never ridden it can be kind of like where you're coming in a little spicy, and then it's like, oh my god! So we're over here just trying to get some exhaust clips. Oh, see, it's a little sketch right here. Just a little. Brake here. Now, I always like to get practice to just get a little bit better. I feel like we're going a lot faster on the Sporty. This it's stuff like that even though I know it's coming, dude, bro, it still freaks me out. I was not expecting that at all, really, on this go round, because I figured it's winter, not that many people are out here. Oh, we got cones set up. Oh, probably because it washed out with all the rain or something. Oh, the road's falling down there. Oh, yeah, that is some pretty crappy road. Looks like the ground underneath it has deteriorated.